Science is fun, books are cool. And this summer at your library, you can win prizes too. It's easy. Here's what you do. Just stop by your library to register starting in June. Get a game card, some books, and your favorite coloring tool. As you read, fill in the spaces. When you get to 9, you win. 9 more, you win again. 9 more, guess what? You win. Now you might be finished, but that's not the end. Play the bonus round and become a Mega Boom reader for another chance to win. After 5 hours of reading, color a spot, then stop by your library to add a part to our robot? Fill 5 dots and get your own robot hand. That'll grab you a chance to be entered for a spinbot party for you and your friends. Babies and toddlers don't have to miss out. Parents, pick up a special game card with activities and prizes designed for you and your 0 to 2. Now, in case you were computing what else you can do, visit KidsWeb or pick up a calendar with more fun summer reading programs for you. There's summer morning fun with chickens, magicians, puppets, music, and theater galore. And there's stories and crafts, science and art, and wait, there's still more. At the end of the summer, it's party time. 4 sites, 4 parties, 4 times the fun. So get ready, get set at PPLD, Fizz Boom Read. We're roaring good. Is that slime?